I was looking for a new challenge and a new community, and that's exactly what I got.
I really enjoy the monthly videos, the new choreography, and in the near future that we'll have more opportunities.
The socials, because we get to see each other, have fun, goof around.
I'll be a member of Fusion Fighters because of the amazing new choreography.
I also love meeting people from around the world and listening to their cool accents.
And I've enjoyed all the classes, from Shanos to Irish dancing with Mario Trainer.
I was immediately hooked on their unique style and creativity.
It just makes Irish dancing fun all over again.
If anybody needs help, we have a great mentorship program to help each other with the steps.
It brings people together, brings communities together. Irish dancing has really grown to new levels.